I said good morning. Are you all happy today? Yes. Can I see all of your smiles? Can I see all of your smiles? I am unable to. If you will not smile, I'll not start. You know, that's my problem. Yeah, Fiona, why don't you laugh? So sweet. So sweet. So sweet. Good, 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 good. Others, why don't you laugh here? Yes. And Ansuman, what happened? You're not taken breakfast? Yeah, laugh for me, yeah. Ipsita, what happened, Ipsita? Okay, great. So for the next, maybe 1 hour or so, depending on how you are liking this interaction with me. So basically, we'll have a talk, we'll have a chat, and the purpose is I'll try to learn from you. Correct? So today you assume that you are all my teachers, and unless you teach me, unless you tell me, I'll not be able to learn. So today we will have some sort of interaction where you are my teachers, right? Accepted? Say yes, yes, good, good. If you like, you say like this, I am able to see. Yes, yes, great. So as you know, before we start anything, we need to pray, right? So next 1 minute, let's all pray. What for this, what I'll do is I'll ask you, all of you, to please close your eyes. I'm seeing all of you. Please close your eyes. Fold your hands. Fold both of your hands. Yeah, Ansuman, fold your hands, Ansuman, beta. Yes, yes. Fold of your hand. Sit straight, and just 1 minute. Concentrate on what I'm going to play. Concentrate on the wording.
अनंत संसार समुद्रतार नौकायिताभ्यां गुरुभक्तिताभ्यां वैराग्य साम्राज्यद पूजनाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां कवित्ववाराशि निशाकराभ्यां दौर्भाग्यदावाङ्कुधमालिकाभ्यां दूरीकृतानम्रविपत्तिताभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां नताययो श्रीपतितां समीयो कदाचिदप्याशु दरिद्रवर्या मूकाश्च वाचस्पतितां हिताभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां कालीकनिकाशपदाकृताभ्यां नानाविमोहादिनिवारिकाभ्यां नमज्जनाभीष्टगतिप्रदाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां कृपालिमौली रजरत्नकान्ति सरिद्विराज झषकन्यकाभ्यां नृपत्पदाभ्यां नतलोकपङ्क्तेः नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां पापान्धकारार्कपरम्पराभ्यां तापत्रयाहीन्द्रखगेश्वराभ्यां जाड्याद्रिसंशोषणवाणवाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्याम्.
Okay, now let's talk for some time. I see all of you. Okay, I'm able to see all of you. Thank you. Now I see many of you have not unmuted your cameras. I still find many of you not unmuted your cameras. Unmute your cameras, yeah. We'll be able to see, of course, in the screen I am able to see many of you have unmuted the cameras, but the rule of the game will be, it will be like a game. We'll play a game. It will be something like Damsared or something like Antakari. And the rule is when I ask something, you have to raise your hand in digitally. You know how to raise your hand, and then I'll ask you. Then you have to unmute your mic. Of course, you would have already unmuted the cameras, and then we will talk. So today's discussion or the chat will be something like how privileged all of us are. In this pandemic situation, I'll give you some statistics of India. In India, about 50% of the children go to government schools and 50% to the private schools. And the government schools, are trying to now improve, but the facilities, because many of these children do not have the electronic gadgets. So in this pandemic time, they are unable to study. And there are various meritorious students in that. See, I am trying to set up with government where I have been given the charge, and I saw in the tribal areas that all, they're such talented children, but extremely poor. They don't have even mobile phones, so making them study is becoming difficult. So and there are children in many of the private schools also, which are in the very, very rural areas where children also do not have gadgets. So comparing that, you feel how privileged you are. Now, if God has given you this privilege, the nature has given you the privilege. If your parents, who are your first God, they have given you this privilege, then are you utilizing this privilege as it's supposed to be? Are you giving full justice to the privilege and the opportunity that is in your hand? You have to introspect yourself, because this corona has given us such time to introspect, and we need to introspect. We need to find out whether we are doing the best so that we keep our parents happy. First thing in life, always remember, my children, first thing in your life is whether you have to find out whether you have kept your father and mother happy. By the way, I had requested all of you that touch the feet of parents every day morning after you get up and take their blessings. Once you start doing that with complete dedication, with that feeling, realize how all the energies of nature will be transmitted to you through your parents, because your parents have brought you to this world. So nature has brought you to the world through your parents. So they are the first people who can give you all the best things of the world, because nobody in the world can be better than your father, and nobody in the world can be better than your mother. So always take their blessings. This is my sincere advice to each one of you. Touch their feet, have the feeling, and tell me, how did you feel? So, as I was telling you, since your parents, your mother is your first God, your father is your first God, never ever in your life do anything which can make them unhappy. This is the stage, particularly, my dear children, when you are going from class 8 to class 9 to class 10, suddenly you feel that you have become knowledgeable, you have become adults, and you have a own independent thinking of yourself, and you know what is right and wrong. Yes, all these things are right, all these things are correct, but at your place. You cannot have that maturity which your parents have. You cannot have that maturity as your teachers have. You will not be able to see the world as they can see for you. So whatever they will tell always good for you, and they will not they are not doing this to get anything in return. Whatever they want is just your happiness. So all of you, you will give the utmost respect to your parents. Say yes or no. If yes, Yes, that's like my senior, because always I say my seniors are either are the best or different from this. That's right. So we'll start the game today. So the first game is, I saw Arus very intelligent. Arus raised his hand before when I asked this question. Arus very smart. Okay, great. So I will first show a small video, and you need to tell me what did you learn out of this video. So, did you like this? Okay. Now, what did you learn? What did you see in the video? What are the learnings from this small 2 minutes clipping? There are various, very important learnings that we can get from this. So, let me understand, how many of these learnings you are able to teach me, and then I will collect all your learnings and probably give you some of my feelings. Oh, so many hands. Great, great. So we'll start with the first hand, which was raised. Amrita. Amrita, first you have to give the same smile you used to give in the school, right? I remember your smile, your laugh. Yes, Amrita, unmute.
Sir, good morning. Sir,
Money.
from the video we get to know that even though the person does not have the access to education, he does not have the access to various luxuries of life, he uses
Right.
what he has within himself. He uses
Mm-hmm.
what he can do.
Mm-hmm.
He's searching for what he can do with what he has, and then he starts reading from the things that he has. Saying he is a scrap dealer, so he uses the
Mm-hmm.
scrap to study. So we learn that
Mm-hmm.
you don't always need luxuries in life to succeed. You can always have whatever you like. You can always use whatever you have to
Yes.
grow ahead in life.
So sweet, Amrita. Your smiles, Amrita. Yes, you remember I had told in the assembly about your smile.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So how many of these birds you have behind you?
Sir, those are butterflies I made with paper. I made
Oh,
them and then I painted them.
you made these butterflies?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you are like a butterfly, Mamrita. And how is your dance going?
Yes, sir. It's also fine.
Okay, great. So Amrita says that you need to be contented in what you have, and learning doesn't always need that you will be in the best place. And degrees do not define you. What defines you is your knowledge and your urge to learn. For urge to learn, you need not be at the best place. To have that urge, whatever you have, whatever place you are in, you should have that interest to read and acquire more and more knowledge. Then you are knowledgeable. Knowledge is not just where you are now. Knowledge is how you are exhibiting yourself, your nature and your character. Very well said, Amrita. I'm so happy. Yes. Next, Rajopriya, unmute.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Morning, Rajopriya. How are you?
Sir, fine.
Oh, so sweet smile. Yeah, Rajapriya, tell me, what did you learn?
Yes, sir. From the video, I learned that you should always help the people who
Yes.
want to fulfill their dreams,
Hmm.
and you
Hmm.
would let them happen, let them help to make it happen.
Yes. Yes. So what's a dream, beta?
To become a air pilot,
No, no. What is dream? What is the definition of dream?
sir. Dream, the ones which you think of in your, like, if you want to fulfill, like, sir, something which you want to fulfill in your
And
future,
and
and
how normally you see dream?
so while sleeping.
Yes. So all of you or most of you see dreams while you are sleeping. The day you will start seeing dream when your eyes are open, then you will proceed and you will fulfill your dream. Because everybody sees dream while they're asleep. The leader sees dream when the eyes are open. So start to dream in open eyes. Start to dream with open eyes. Then your dream will become a reality. And I'm absolutely with Rajapriya that in life it is not only that you fulfill your dreams, you also should help people who whom you can help in fulfilling their dreams, because helping is something which builds your nature and your character. So well said. I'm so very proud of my seniors. That's why I tell no, each one of you teach me something new. I'm so happy, Rajapriya. Yes, very good smile. Okay, now Fiona.
So, good
Yes,
morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. Hi.
morning. Hi, Fiona. You'll tell now something very interesting. I know. What are those danglers behind you, Fiona? Beautiful danglers.
Sir, those were actually something I made a few years ago in craft class.
Oh, great. So you're very creative from childhood. I have seen, I have seen you from a baby, right? You grew up, in front of my eyes. Now you have become a girl from a baby, sweet baby. I used to see your chicks in the school. You remember? Yes, beta. Tell me.
But, to add on to Amrita's and Rajapriya's and your points even, I believe
Yes.
like from the video I learned that if you really have this innate desire to learn, if you want to study, if you want to know something more, nothing can truly hinder you.
Right.
Nothing, like no obstacle.
Yeah,
Like
absolutely.
dreams, they're
Absolutely.
they're hidden in our hearts. They're the deepest desires that we have. We
Absolutely.
watch them when we're sleeping. So if
Right.
we really have a dream that we want to pursue, nothing can stop us.
Absolutely.
That's what
Absolutely,
I got
Fiona.
from it.
I am absolutely with you. A lot of children feel that this pandemic has brought a situation where we can't read. we are not going to school, and there's a lot of screen time. These are all alibis, mama. We need to find, always we cannot be in our comfort zone. This corona pandemic has taught us how to come out of a comfort zone, how to face hardship and still study, and still so that we will not get deterred by these small disruptions. Small disruptions or disruptions will always there in life. So how you face these disruptions and carry on your dream, that makes you a leader. So a leader is that person who works against disruption, and followers are those people who flow with the disruption and always brood in life that ये मिलता तो मैं ये कर देता, मेरे को ये होता तो मैं ये हो जाता, मैं इंडिया का प्राइम मिनिस्टर होने से ये कर देता. If you go to a discussion in any of these beetle shops, what they will be talking? They'll be talking, today the prime minister spoke like this, he should not have spoken. Today Pakistan should have not done like this. Today America should have done like this. Today the finance minister spoke like this, he should or she should have done the budget much better. RBI governor should have done like this. Arey bhai, you do whatever is you are assigned to do. No, why you are bothered about what finance minister or prime minister is doing? Do your work perfectly. You first know how to learn how to prepare a good beetle, so that people will tell you are the best beetle shop. That's your expertise, right? So by nature, we try to assess everything else other than what is our responsibility. So my advice to all of you is, your responsibility now is to read, acquire more and more knowledge, and pursue your dream. Respect your parents, listen to the parents. Respect your teachers, listen to your teachers. Respect the institution, and then grow in life. Time pada hai na, so we will do. I am so happy with Fiona's answer. Great, Fiona. Thoda, yes, that's like my girl. Aur thoda has de. Yeah. Great, ma'am. Great, mama. Thank you. You made my day. Yes, Avinav.
So
Avinav,
from
unmute.
that video, I have learned that we should never stop learning and dreaming.
Yes, you should never stop learning and dreaming, and never brood that मेरे को ये बड़ा रूम मिलता, मेरे को अच्छा सा टेबल मिलता, मेरे को एक 2 लाख रुपए का लैपटॉप मिलता, then I'll study. Nothing like that. Without anything, that boy is aspiring to do BA MA without even going to school and college, right? And that's the dream. And he is creating opportunity out of nothing. He is trying to read out of the raddi, the papers and the books which are all thrown by you. Reading those, he acquires knowledge. Maybe those who have thrown these books, they would not have read those books, because there are many books in our house we don't read and we just throw them, right? So he is reading out of the raddi. Now just think, in your house, how many books are there and how much you have read those books. How many books you have read and you have learned from those books. That's something that we should all learn from this video. Great answer. Okay, Shraddha.
Good morning, sir. I'm Shraddha Chakravarti from 9C.
Yes, my Shraddha Chakravarti from 9C. Beautiful hair. Who has combed your hair, beta?
Myself.
Yourself. Oh, you
Yes,
should open a beauty parlor.
So not my interest area.
Okay, great. Tell me, what did you
So
learn?
from this video, we understand that every person in this country has the ability to dream, but there are circumstances under which we criticize them.
Yes.
But they are like, they do not have the money, they do not have something which will not allow them, they cannot beat us. Whereas in this video, we just understood how a man who is way more at a status, at a economic level, compared to the scrap dealer,
Yes.
he is willing to
Right.
help. So the willing to help,
Right.
the ability for willing to help, that is what can help us to pursue our dream. Other people who are agreeing that we will support you.
Absolutely. Many a times, as I said, many a times we try to find out alibis to miss an opportunity. Opportunity do not come in life many times. So we should utilize the opportunity. See the opportunity that all of you have of reading in one of the best schools, right? The opportunity that the school, that platform that is there. So if you do not utilize this opportunity, if you are always shy, if you do not ask questions, if you do not read, if you do not, participate in all the curricular activities, extracurricular activities, how do you improve your knowledge? How do you improve your best, right? So without anything, see that boy is trying to improve himself. He is, he is a Raddi dealer, but he is reading electronics. Just see the interest, the passion that boy has. And more than that, how people are there. There are many people in the world. Most of the people in the world will help you if you have that strong desire in life to become something and pursue a dream. So never ever leave pursuing a dream. So good answer. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. Yeah, Arus, how are you, Arus, today? Unmute yourself.
Good morning,
Yes,
sir.
Arun.
Sir, I'm fine.
How are you? I have
Sir, I'm
not
fine.
seen you. I'm not seen you for ages. So beautiful, beautiful headphone. What music you listen with that? What music you
Sir,
like?
sir, usually 5 seconds of summer or Ed Sheeran.
Oh my God, the best ones. Great, great. So what did you learn, Arus?
Sir, we should always follow our passion and our dream, and we should try to overcome all the difficulties in our life and try to
Mhm.
rise above the uh, we, uh, we should rise above the difficulties. We should
Mhm.
always we should be passionate about what we want to do.
Yes. So two very, very, very important things Aru said. One, he said that we should rise above the difficulties. See, there are always in any situation there are 2 points. One, those are negative, and one, those are positive. So if you look at the negative things that's happening, if you look at, oh, this is very bad, this is not happening. I don't have this thing, I don't have time. I don't have a good laptop. I don't have costly headphone. So if you concentrate into the negatives, you will lose sight of the main thing, your dream. Concentrate on your positive. Okay, I am much better than most of the people. I am much better equipped. I have much better, situation. I have many books in my house. I have such lovely parents who can guide me. I have some lovely teachers. I'm reading in a lovely institution. So if you look at this positive, you will become very positive person in life. So my take from what Aru said is never ever be critical or discuss ill about anyone. The moment you start talking ill about anyone, ill thoughts will automatically come into you. Always think positive things. If somebody is talking negative, just don't participate or listen. The more and more you're positive, the more and more your character will become positive, and you'll always smile and be smart as Arus is. Arus, thoda smile kar de mere liye. Yes, that's great, Arus. I am so happy. Yeah, Ahana, unmute Ahana. How are you, Ahana, today? Yeah.
Fine, sir. Good morning, sir.
Morning, Ahana. I have not seen you. Oh, you have a lovely guitar. You play guitar?
Yes, sir, I play.
Oh, which can you play it for me now?
So right now,
Yes. Let all
okay,
of us listen.
okay, sir. As you wish, sir. Let me just
Yes,
get
yes,
it,
yes.
sir. Just a minute.
Yes. Let everybody listen, Ahana.
Yes, sir.
Bajigar.
Yes, sir. I love
Oh,
that song. I don't know.
yes, absolutely. I also love this song, beta. You know, you made my day with this song. Yes, it's a very popular song at our times, and you remember it and you're playing it. And the meaning of the song is also very great.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. What did you learn from this?
Yes, sir. So, sir, if I like combine some of the points that you and my fellow friends and my classmates told, the first thing that I can say that education and learning does not really limit only to books or maybe like whatever I've learned in school. You can learn from various things.
Right.
You can learn from other people's values. You can learn from your parents' experience, what they teach you. Learning is everywhere. You can learn from each and everything in the world. And so in that video, like that boy told that this scrap that you are giving to me, it means everything to me. It has everything. But maybe for others who are like educated and they are having like a good economical status, that must be a scrap for them. So to find a positivity in each and everything in the world and to be humane to each and everyone. Because when you help someone to achieve and to desire their dreams, you feel like I have helped someone. There's a happy feeling inside you when you help someone. And sir, when I saw this video, I developed a definition for dream with each letter. So can I say that?
Yes.
So sir, I learned that D can be like for desire to achieve something. R can be so that you for research, E for evaluation, A for achievement, and M for maintenance. Means these 5 letters can help you pursue your dream. So even if someone like might tell you like, what will you do if you become like this, and might spread negativity.
Say it again. D
yes,
for
sir.
desire.
D for desire, R for research.
Yes.
E for evaluation.
Evaluation. Yes.
A for achieve.
Achieve.
And M for maintain.
Great. So, Ahana, I remember I told you that when I started the talk, I said, you are all my teachers. Now you are behaving like my principal. So I'm so happy and I feel so proud today, Ahana. I can't express my happiness that my seniors are growing to be one of the best citizens of my country. And that's what I wanted. That's what I wanted when I started the school, that my children should be able to teach the world that as seniors we are different. Our thinking is different. Our style is different. And the way we walk, I said, we will walk like senior, we will talk like senior, we will sleep like senior, and we will dream like a senior, because as seniors, either we are the best or
different from the rest.
And choice is
us.
That's right. And Anna, I tell you, you are really, really great. मेरे लिए हंस दे थोड़ा जोर से.
Yes.
Yes, so great. Thank you, Anna. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes.
Thank
so
you,
now
sir.
I will, thank you. God bless you. Stay blessed. I will now, yes, Ria. Ria, unmute yourself.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Morning, Ria. How are you?
Sir, I just want to everyone's whatever said is we, all of us, all the students here, we are really privileged. And am I audible?
Your voice is breaking, Ria.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
So as each and every student here, I can say that we all are really privileged and we get numerous opportunities. But the poor people there, they strive for opportunities and they don't get opportunities. So they're just driven by zeal, their desire to get what they want. And because they're not given everything on a silver platter like we are, they work
Mhm.
really hard for it and they get what they want. Nowadays, you can see like most of the people in government schools or in IIT or everywhere, they're from these families because
Yeah.
they don't get everything. We are given like, everything on a silver platter, and only
Yes.
two
Yes.
things are needed.
Yes.
One is an unrealistic dream which you go berserk to fulfill, and the other is
Right.
the zeal. If you have these two, then yes, it's whatever you
Yes.
want.
Yes, Ria. You have touched a very, very sensitive point. When you are in comfort zone, even if you have a dream, you feel that ठीक है, God will make my dream because I have a dream and I am doing my best and God will fulfill the dream. But when somebody is not having anything and pursuing his dream or her dream, and they do not have the opportunities and the facilities that you have, and they work harder because they are out of their comfort zone, for them, if they not work hard, then they lose everything and they succeed in life because they have gone through so much of toil, they have gone through so much of not having things that craves them that they will do something. So it is not necessary that you need to be poor to pursue a dream. It's whether your thought is poor. It is not financially who is poor or rich. It is whether your thinking process is poor or rich. That's more important. Never think that a poor child will always be better and a moderately rich child will not be better.
No,
There
it's
is
the
nothing
one who
like,
work for it. Yeah.
yes, it is, Ria. Like, you suppose you make a commitment that yes, I will learn from my peers and I'll work hard and I will beat my peers, right? That is what is challenge. That tomorrow I will see how my friends are doing, learn from them, and one day I will I will do everything better than them. That's what is the challenge. And that in a positive side, that not in negative side. I am so happy that you have raised a very sensitive point, but very nicely you presented it. That's why I said in the morning that you are all my teachers. I learned so much. Thank you, Ria. मेरे लिए हंस दे थोड़ा जोर
Thank
से.
you, sir.
Yes, so sweet smile. I want to capture your smile. Yes, so sweet. God bless you. Yes, now Shravani. Shravani, unmute yourself.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, Shravani, you are sitting in some beautiful garden in London or somewhere.
No, sir, it's just the wallpaper.
Don't tell me it's a wallpaper. It's so natural and beautiful. And
Sir,
and you are sitting on a garden chair. You must be in somewhere which is very, very lovely place. Tell me, Shravani, what did you like? Yes.
sir, I think so. The only word which I got from the video is determination.
Mhm.
Had the determination to learn. He knew he was not born with a golden spoon or like we are with like he was not given everything on silver platter. Yet he had the determination that I will learn, I will complete my studies even if I dropped out of school. And the other thing, like you said about dreams, I think dreams things we mull over, like our thoughts, we mull over so much that they are stuck in our head till we see them deep or till we don't achieve them. This much only.
Yes. So I will tell Shravani that we should get stuck to our dream. It's dream and dream till your dreams become a reality. You have to be obsessed with your dream. You need not be obsessed with food. You do not be obsessed with chocolate, right? You have to be obsessed with your dream. Once you're obsessed with your dream, right, then you slowly proceed towards it. So what I did when I was of your age, so I used to write, I wanted to be first in the class, right? So what I'll do, last time I kept 99 in math. So this time I'll keep 100 in math and I'll be first of the class. So I used to write a white paper and stick it in front of my study table, right? Then I used to start practicing mathematics because my goal was 100. So and those days I didn't have much money to probably write the answers in paper. So many papers I have to waste. So I bought a chalk, white chalk box you have seen, where you can write. So I used to write in the floor and practice mathematics. By the end of the day, my entire body used to be white. So much of practice I used to do. So that made me always to give 100 out of 100 in math. So it was sheer hard work. I did not have, I didn't have probably the copies. I did not have so much of, things to practice, but I had the zeal to practice. So I started practicing with the chalk. So I did not concentrate on what I did not have. I concentrated which I have. That's my brain. I concentrated on my ability. Yes, I can keep. I concentrated on my dream. So pursue your dream, beta. Nobody can stop you. Your parents' blessings, your teachers' teaching will make you what you want. And you are born to become what you want. You are not born not to become what you want. There has to be a desire to be what you want to be. Never allow that desire to shy away from you. Desire is like a very, very delicate girl. The moment the desire sees that you are neglecting her, the desire will run away from you and never come back. Never allow that sweet desire to ever go away from you. Always keep that in mind. Very nice answer. I can go on and on and on, but time is clicking out. Oh my God, I thought I'll be showing few more things, but one thing I am already stuck. So I'll take one more question, then we'll go to the next video, because I can go on and on, right? And I don't want to bore you with my talks and take a session to be very long. I want to be within time, but I'll ask you if you want it to be. I have, as per the time allotted, I have only 10 minutes. So if you all want, we can extend it a bit more. So if you want to be extended, then probably you have to show me the thumbs up, then we'll extend. Otherwise, we will close on time. Okay. Most of you want it? Okay, great. So we'll go. So after one more answer on this video, we'll go to the next topic. So Abhishek, unmute yourself, Abhishek.
Yes, sir. Sir, good morning.
How are you, Abhishek?
Sir, I am fine.
Oh, beautiful. You are sitting in a beautiful house. Okay.
So, sir,
yeah.
So the thing I learned from the video is learning does not depend on the resource you have. You can learn from anywhere, and it does not depend and how much you are extended to or how much you have. It's like if I take myself as an example. So when the lockdown started, I thought of like I cannot. I am being bored and I don't know what to do unless of studying. So I thought like, what can I use of the resource I have? Now the resource is online, so we can see anything and we can learn from it. So I started drawing every day. So sir, can I show you some drawings which I have made?
Yes, sure.
One of them is this. This I made on the start of the lockdown.
Oh my God. Oh, very nice. Beautiful.
So this is one of the drawings. And so the second one it was this one.
Oh, what does this signify?
Sir, it signifies that like the COVID patients, when the COVID started in India, there were like only 2 to 3 cases. So I thought of drawing this so that it shows how. See, sir, here there are trees and there also is a tree. Sir, this means that the nature is also developing, and the COVID patients, this up arrow, this is the number of COVID patients increasing every day. And sir, this is also one of the drawings I have made for some home assignment, the holiday home assignment. It is this one.
Oh, great. Great. Very nice. Very nice thought. And this creativity, I'm telling you, yes. I'm so happy that
and sir, I have used
you have
YouTube as a resource. I saw everything from YouTube and tried to like do it for myself. This is also one of the drawing. This took me 12 hours straight. I started it and ended it in 12 hours.
So nice of you. I will tell you, what he says is, you know, the pandemic he has utilized to develop a hobby which was within him, but he was not getting time to develop that hobby. So he utilized the opportunity of COVID, opportunity of this pandemic, in going into the YouTube and learning more how to draw modern art, to the art of his liking, his passion, and he revived his passion into a hobby of his. So this is how you need to utilize the time that's this pandemic has given us. So happy, very good, congratulations. This is like my senior, so happy. So let's go quickly to the next video and observe this very keenly. There is going to be a lot of questions now. I know so many hands are there. I'm so sorry, but we'll go to the next video. Then probably I will show you the what is there to be. Okay, now what did you learn out of this video? What did you? There's so many hands again. So I'll start with Subham. I'll start with Subham. Yeah, Subham. Now let's go to Purvasa.
Good morning, sir.
Purvasa, again, smile, 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 smile. You remember I told once in the assembly that I like the way you smile always in the school. Yes? And also I liked your Odissi dance. How is your dance going? Good?
It's completely fine. It's good. Yes, sir.
Yes, so sweet, Purvasa. I'm so happy, that I am today able to interact with you, Purvasa. Okay, tell me, what did you learn out of this, Purvasa?
Sir, if we relate the two videos that you showed us, we just relate in the first video, he didn't have the opportunity, but he created opportunity for himself. And then he had the faith in himself. In the second video, if we see, he had the opportunity, even though he was losing, but he had the opportunity to be better. So he grabbed the opportunity to be better. He believed in himself, said, let's do better, let's practice more. Why can't I achieve the things? And then we also need patience. In the second video, we learned we also need patience. We need to believe. We need faith. We need to grab all the opportunities that we get, rather than losing our patience and showing the temper outside over there. And we need to also accept the criticism and understand why are we criticized, and not every time let it affect us. But we need to just learn from everything that we do.
Oh, Purvasa, you have totally dissected the video so beautifully. What Purvasa says is very, very relevant. That if you want to grow, first thing she said, we have to practice and go on practicing and improve ourselves every day. The more and more you practice, the more and more you improve. The second very important thing is, she said, is there may be criticism. There may be friends who are telling, there may be teachers who will be telling about you. There may be people who may be telling about you that you probably don't dance properly, or you are not reading properly, or you are not doing this properly. So take these criticisms positively and improve upon them, and keep control on yourself. So what Federer, he lost always control, in himself, and he threw the racket each time he got defeated, and that was building frustration in him, and that frustration was making him jittery, and he was not winning matches, he was losing matches. The moment he got control and he could understand where his weakness, and he had self-control in himself, and he improved upon, he became the world champion. So in order to be in order to be one of the best students, or not, to do your studies well and pursue your dreams, you have to understand that when people are telling you to read, maybe your parents, maybe relatives, maybe friends, or they are telling certain things about you, take them positively. Yes, why did they tell them? Why did they not tell others? That means there is something on which I need to work on. So you need to take these things positive, then you'll improve in life, rather than telling, "Are wo mera dost nahi hai," they talk rubbish, Then you start telling negative, again you start telling against others, and this spirals. They will tell against you, you will tell against them, and go on, right? So you need to be positive. I'm very happy. Hasde mere liye Purvasa. Show me a Odissi pose. You know how you do it? One mudra. You show me one mudra. Any one mudra. Shiva mudra. Mudra for Shiva, Lord Shiva. Yes, thank you. Thank you. God bless you. Yes, I'll go to Anupam. Anupam, unmute.
Good morning, sir. I'm
Yes.
Amlan. Sir,
You are?
Amlan, sir. Amlan Anupam.
Amlan Anupam. Okay. Yeah, Amlan. Tell me.
After analyzing both the videos, sir, I got to. I made few points. So first of all, believing in yourself. Believe. So believe are the small baby step of success. I believe that belief is in yourself, in ourselves, is a baby step of success. So if we can dream it, we can always do it. So that's the second point. Third point, when there is a will, there is a way. And sir, it also comes from the it also has a relevant to the movie from Shah Rukh Khan. अगर तुम किसी चीज को चाहते हो तो पूरी दुनिया, पूरी कायनात तुम्हें उससे मिलाना चाहेगी.
Oh, very nice. So sweet.
Point, sir. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Sir, I believe that no dream is too small and no dream is too big. Each dream is unique in itself. And last point, after doing all this, believing in the Almighty Sai Baba and thanking him for everything he is providing us with, and he knows what are we going to be, and he knows that we are going to be good.
Oh, so sweet, Amlan,
Thank you.
You summarized everything so well in 5 points. And what is the best thing you said? You said that in the philosophy of Sri Sai, the philosophy of Sri Sai, Shraddha and Saburi, 2 words. The entire Bible, Gita, Quran, every scripture in the world can be put in these 2 words, Shraddha and Saburi. If you have love, if you have passion, if you are persuasive, and if you are hardworking, you have patience, nothing in the world can stop you from your dream. Just these 2 words, remember, Shraddha and Saburi, will take you to the dream that you want. And I'm so happy that my senior is talking like my professor. As I said in the morning today, all my seniors will teach me today many things, and I'm learning. I'm listening, and I'm learning from each one of you. So sweet. Thank you so much. Yes, now Soumya. Soumya Das.
Yes, sir.
How
Good
are
afternoon.
you?
I'm fine, sir.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I am fine. I was not fine until I saw each one of you, your smiles, and made me so lucky. And Shravani's UK scenery made me like I was in UK. So I'm so happy to be interacting with all of you. Thank you so much, and so much of I wanted to tell you so many things, but I am now extracting, it's like Samudra Manthan, the more you churn, the more of Amrita you get. So I am churning all my beautiful seniors and I'm getting the Amrita out of you, right?
From
And
the
that's what is the role of a teacher. Yes,
Yes.
that's the role
So
of a
from the
teacher.
first,
And yes, go ahead.
sorry, sir. So from
No,
the
go ahead.
first video, I learned that we have to make the best usage of the resources which are available to us, and we have to if someone criticizes, we have to take it in a very positive way, because everyone has flaws and we have to work on it and how to make ourselves better.
Very nice, very nice. So we have to work on things and get things done. We have to work on things. So I'll show one more video, then we'll go to the next one, and probably that will close because I don't want that I should exceed much time. So Jay Patnaik, yeah, Jay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, beta. Jay.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. How are you?
I am fine, sir. How are you, sir?
I am fine. Who did draw Sri Krishna, Lord Krishna, on your left side?
Sir, this is my first canvas painting.
Yours?
Yes, sir.
Oh, beautiful. You are a great artist. Oh my God. Oh, Radha Krishna. Samyukta is beautiful. You give me this drawing, I'll keep it in my room. So beautiful. My signers are so talented. My signers are so talented. Yes. What did you learn out of this, Samyukta?
From first video, I got to learn that every human being in this world has the right of education. Yeah. And education is not just about some books and some pages and all of that. It is education is a world where we can learn many things. And from second video, I got to learn that we should believe in ourselves and in our dream. And no one in this world can be judged by his or her dream. And we should give our best in our each and every movement or the work we are doing.
Yes, we should give our best. So to be the best, we have to give our best. Unless we give our best, we cannot expect to be the best. So pursue your dream, go on doing good work, and you will be definitely successful in life, whatever you do. I'm so happy. Yes, Angelina.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. God bless you, beta. Yeah, Angelina.
Yes, sir.
How are you, Angelina?
Good morning. I'm fine, thank you. What about you?
I am very fine, and seeing your smile, I'm feeling much better.
So, sir, I just wanted to say that from the first video, we kind of learned that about, you must know about LOA. It's law of attraction. So the guy there had dreamt actually of everything. Like, he kind of wanted to study, so he dreamt of it each and every day, and he actually earned it. Like he always thought, no, I kind of will get some books from anywhere, like from any resource, and he actually got it. So I believe from LOA, and from the second video that you showed, I got to learn that every day has something to learn. Like every day there is something from which you can learn, and you can make yourself better. No one is kind of perfect, but obviously they can try. So yeah, that's it.
So you said two things. One is
Yeah.
LOA. So how did you know about law of attraction?
Law of attraction, actually, I kind of learned it from my sister because I actually have an YouTube kind of channel. So I actually tell people that no, being productive, again, believing it LOA
Yes.
is something through which you can actually pursue your dream. You can achieve
Yes.
what you want through LOA.
Oh. Have you
I
read the
believe.
book Secret? Have you read the book Secret?
No, not yet.
Just read the book Secret.
Yeah, sure.
You will understand much better what is LOA, right?
Thank you.
The fundamental principle of LOA is positivity attracts positivity, negativity attracts negativity. It's unlike the science. In science, right, it's opposite. Negative attracts positive and positive attracts negative. But in LOA, it is negative attracts negativity, positive attracts positivity. A simple thing. If you are naughty, lot of naughty friends will be your friends, right? If you are not naughty friends will be your friends. So
True.
that's law of attraction, right?
Yeah.
So always, so if you want something, you have to be like that. So that's why Mahatma Gandhi said, if you want to see a change in the world, change yourself. Why?
Exactly.
That's LOA. If you want positive things in life, it has to be LOA. So LOA is the guiding principle. You have made my day. You have made my day. I'm telling you. LOA. Nobody till now told about LOA, and you told about LOA, and I want you to research on LOA and learn more about LOA, because LOA is something which can change the lives of people. It's so powerful. LOA is so powerful. So, and what is the second thing you said?
Second thing was every day has something through which you can
Yes. So you said every day there is something to learn. So I'll say not every day, every moment there is something to learn.
Exactly.
I'll tell you something. That at this moment, every second of life you make a choice, right? Now you have made a choice to listen to me. You could have also made a choice not to listen to me. Now there were about 300 children, right? So some of them have left. So they made a choice of not listening, right? So does it make any difference to me? It made a difference to them, because they were unable to listen to their friends, what their friends are talking. They were not able to listen to me, what I'm going to analyze. So they made a choice. So the result that they will get is because of their choice. In life, always, every second, every moment, like a food is served to you, so you have a choice of eating it or not eating it. Out of that, you have a choice of eating half or not, eating full. Like now, you have a choice of either keeping your eyes open or closing your eyes open. So if you open your eyes, you see me. If you don't open your eyes, you don't see me. You have a choice of smiling or not smiling. If you smile, it gives a positive atmosphere. If you don't smile, it creates a grumpy atmosphere. So every moment of life, you make choices, and always make the right choice. Never blame others, because it is your choice that make the world of difference, and that's called LOA. I'm so happy that you understood LOA, because I have done a lot of research on LOA, and we'll have a lot of chat one-to-one on LOA. I'm so happy that I got somebody who also can talk to me on LOA. Very nice. I'm so happy. God bless you. Stay blessed. Yes. Then next is Prapyam. So what is the meaning of Prapyam, beta?
Sir, actually, it's a Sanskrit word which means something which you are trying to achieve. You achieved it. It's a word related to Prapti. Sir, and my sister's name is Prapti.
Prapyam and Prapti. So if you practice Prapyam, then you get Prapti. Yes, right? And that's what is the meaning of these two videos. So your name justifies till now, and that's pursuing your dream is also called Prapyam. Because if you pursue your dream, then you get what you deserve, what you are working for, and that's called Prapti. So Prapyam is the process and Prapti is the result. So beautiful, so thoughtful your parents to have given such beautiful names. convey my regards to them. I let me tell you all, as I see all my seniors so brilliant, the amount of credit that goes to the parents because of their grooming, the amount of happiness I get when I see all of you, and I want to really be thankful to all of your parents for having reposed faith in us and giving such beautiful jewels. And I'm telling you, each one of you will build a better India through education, and that's what is the motto of Science Innocent, right? All of us will work together, and we'll just focus into how to be positive in life. Yes, time is running out. Let's quickly do it.
Yes, sir. So what I want to try to say is that, sir, can I summarize the things you have said?
Yes.
So first of all, as humans, we are evolving. We are evolving, and we are trying to learn things. And we have one thing that is common between us, that is we have desire and hope that everything will be fine. And sir, you said the thing that we have choices in life in every moment. Yes, sir. We have there are two paths or choices. So first one is an easy way, second is a right way. So always easy way is dependent upon your for example, if I don't there is a choice that you want to study and work hard and become a great person in life, or you don't want to study and watch videos and play games. I mean video games. So the playing video games, it is an easy way, but what is right is your duty, sir. So we have to always choose the right path or the duty.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely. So, I'm so happy that, you said that we should always do a duty. And as students, your duty is first to acquire more and more knowledge.
Knowledge, yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Duty number one. Duty number two, always be devoted to your parents. They're your first God. Take their blessings every day. Number three, listen to teachers, respect teachers, and learn more and more from them, because they are the guiding light for you, each one of you. Because when you grow up, you can ask your parents, if they close their eyes, they will tell you one teacher definitely in their life, school teacher, has made an impact in their life. Every person, like me, one of my teachers of DM school, Oriya teacher, made a serious impact in my life and changed me and made me what I am, other than my parents, my father and mother. So it is always parents first and the teacher second, and the institution, your school, because the school days will never come back. This is the biggest learning curve in your life. You spend 14 years in your school, and that's the biggest learning curve. So I can go on and on, but time is not permitting. So I think we should close down now. It's already 1 hour and 15 minutes, right? Then we will do it next time. Okay. All the children who have left the school, and I have been, making this song embedded in my children throughout the school. Believe me, when 10 years, those children who are coming in the alumni talk, when I ask them, they tell me, sir, the song got so much embedded in us that we live with that song. And that song of hope, that song of dream makes us what we are. And we'll never, ever forget this song. And I want all of you to dream this song, live with this song, because this is the song of hope and this is the song of dream.
गुजरे ऐसी हर रात रात हो ख्वाहिशों से बात बात आशाएं लेकर सूरज से आग आग गाए जा अपना राग राग आशाएं कुछ ऐसा करके दिखा खुद खुश हो जाए खुदा आशाएं मिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं मिले दिल की उम्मीदें से दिल भी अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
So, वो क्या बोलते हैं, ये था आज तक, इंतजार कीजिए कल तक, right? So if you have liked this interaction, please do send your WhatsApp messages through your LMs. I also would love to have some of your WhatsApp videos. How did you like these sessions? And if you can send some of your parent reactions, how they are liking. So that will, as it, I'm also learning, so it will also encourage me and also tell me, how I should do my next sessions. Because each session, believe me, for making one session, how much time I work, I'm not as intelligent and as smart and as creative as many of you are. So I have to work almost a week to just do a session of 1 hour. I have to research, what is that can make an impact? Then what is that I should speak so that it can make, because I know your 1 hour is so valuable. I do not have any right to spoil 1 hour of yours if I am not going to give any value added to your time, your personality, your knowledge, and your experience. So I do a lot of research. I do, reiterations. I talk to myself. Then I talk in front of the mirror to understand, how is the reaction and whether this will make any impact on my children. Because I want my children, each one of you, to get the best. I live to see your smiles. That's why I made the school, because I left my lucrative profession as a chartered accountant and I was doing very great. I had offices all over the country, but I loved children. I love my children. That made me that I will see thousands of my children and thousands of smiles. And that is my, that's my, valuation. If I go into the financial economic terms, what's my value? My value is my 5,000 children. So that's what is my worth. And that's what makes me great. And I'm so happy we had such an interesting, I enjoyed it. And I don't know how much you enjoyed, but I thoroughly enjoyed. And I am really very, very, very thankful to each one of you for giving this time and being with me. Thank you. God bless you. Bye. Yes. And the clap of happiness, you remember? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Whenever you are unhappy, where you're tensed, practice this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You'll feel happy. That's a promise. Thank you. God bless you. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.